Hi, this is Valenera here, and this is my first makeup tutorial. Today I want to show how I accomplished this look, and I am super happy that it came out so well. I was really making up the makeup look as long as I was shooting the video. Today my makeup look went around this palette, which is Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette. This is the first time I put on lashes on my own, because I know I definitely will be doing more, because the palette is very like vivid and have like so many shadows as well to play with, so I'm gonna be doing more. I myself, I know I have improved my makeup a lot and my techniques as well, along with the makeup products that I use now. I really try to use makeup that really go with my skin tone and really work for my complexion, and definitely need to go and look into that before you buy a product, you know, because just because of the hype or because someone recommended to you doesn't specifically mean that it will work for you. So, you know, I've been playing around and I know I don't have much to work with, but I'm definitely gonna be exploring and using it as its full potential, because I know even though I had little, I can do so much. So I hope you enjoy. We're gonna start applying our foundation. Once we have our foundation in, we're gonna go and apply our concealer. My favorite concealer so far is Born This Way. I want to use a sculptured concealer, and this is the shade Almond. And I'm telling you, this is a full coverage and it really works great. We're gonna go ahead and do this to our nose. Alright. I'm gonna grab my beauty sponge and I'm just gonna start blending. Once our face is very like blend in, we're gonna go ahead and start contouring. Contouring is really not my strongest. I don't really do a very harsh contour because I like to be more of like natural, just to enhance my cheekbones and, you know, make the appearance of a smaller forehead. And so for my cheekbones, I use a small brush, and I'm using contour kit of Anastasia in light to medium, and I start applying from my bone to the mid of my cheek. Now I'm gonna grab this brush. This is more like a flat brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and do my forehead. So for my forehead over here, I don't want to make this whole thing brown, so I always gotta make sure that this area is gonna be highlight. So this over here until the peak of my eyebrow, I'm gonna make it darker, or just bronze, you know, and always blend, 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 blend very well. Make sure we blend everything, because like we don't want to wear our foundation or do our jawline contouring and make it like a harsh between our neck and our face. Now we're gonna go ahead and with a flat small brush, we're gonna grab and we're gonna start making our nose contour. I'm not an expert in nose contouring because I feel like on natural light and day-to-day basis is really noticeable, but when you're gonna take pictures or gonna be in front of a camera, it definitely helps and makes you look more snatched. So I'm gonna try my best. Don't judge, please. One advice that I have picked up is to always blend your nose contouring up to your eyebrow, because it's gonna look more natural. The shape and the shade is gonna look more natural that way. I'm gonna grab another brush, another flat brush, and we're gonna blend this up. Next, we are going to apply our mattifying loose setting powder. This is Peach Perfect. And this is from Too Faced. This is definitely a more pink tone according to my tone skin, and what like looks better for me. Definitely next time I try to get a more yellow tone, because when you apply this, it definitely is more like pink tones, and it's not bad. It's just like I prefer my skin to be a more yellow tone. So when you go and get it, you know, just ask, try on your skin. Now I grab a more fluffy brush. Just grab a bunch. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows. I'm gonna use another Anastasia product, and I'm just gonna use, you know, the brow brush. And I use powder. I really haven't ever used a creamy one. Those are like permanent or waterproof. Definitely gonna have to look into that, but this has worked for me. So. Go and start applying our makeup on our eyes. So for that, dependent of how I feel, if I'm gonna like be walking around, or especially if it's summer, if I'm, you know, I'm gonna sweat, I'm gonna use my eyeshadow primer. This is from Urban Decade. So this is pretty much my contouring, my base, and it's pretty light. I don't really go really crazy on it like I said before. So for our eye look, I'm gonna use my Jaclyn Hill palette. I just got it. If you guys are not familiar with it, this is what it looks like. For my base, I'm gonna use Certified, which is like almost like white nude shade, just to have like a base so all the shades can, you know, blend pretty nicely. I'm gonna start applying Homeboy, which is this like caramel dark brown. It's really pretty. And I'm gonna start applying on my crest. That crease, I'm not gonna go wider or inner because I'm gonna use another shade, and repeat on the other eye. These shadows are so pigmented compared to like some like very cheap palettes that I had before, where I have to like build up and build up. With this, when you buy like really good makeup, the advantage of that is that one swipe and you have the color that you want. So, you know, I really don't have much makeup, but I'd rather spend and invest in good makeup that I know will last a long time and I get the results that I want. I'm gonna use Perfectionist, which is just this shade right here, and I'm gonna blend up. So I always have some sort of like baby wipe or tissue so I can clean up the brush and I won't like use the same product, you know, because I want to get another shade. So this is an eyeliner. This is from Clinique, you know, because I do have sensitive eyes, and Clinique is a beautiful brand that works really good on sensitive skin. Hashtag not a sponsor yet. So I'm gonna use this and I'm gonna eyeline my lid, but after that I'm gonna use some shadow so it looks more blended out and hopefully it turns out good. I am definitely not the best on eyeliner. One of my tricks is just open my eye and see where I want the line to go, and then fill out the rest. It's okay if it doesn't turn out to be perfect because we're gonna blend it out later. So I'm gonna grab a flat brush like this and I'm gonna start blending. I'm gonna use Temptress, which is the black shadow in this palette. I'm gonna grab a more compact brush and I'm gonna pack it down. I'm gonna grab again the black brush and blend out, girl. So I'm gonna cut the crease now, and for that I'm gonna use a flat brush, and I'm gonna grab my super concealer with this and just tap it. So now I'm gonna use, I don't really know how to pronounce it, but it's Caron, I guess. It's this shade, and let me show you. This is a pressed shadow, so it's better if you use your finger, honestly. It's like a bronze gold, it's really pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply it. Just struggle to be a lifty. Now I'm gonna grab Dahlia, which is a very pretty gold. Let me show you. It's this one right here. Wow, it's just like every time I put it on, I don't know if you can see. It's just very pretty. And I'm gonna apply that in the inner one. The struggle. I don't really know what I want to use now. Okay, let's use money. Is this one right here? Still on the brown ones. So let's just keep it like that. You know, I'm making this makeup like right now. I'm making it up. I think it's turning out pretty good. And to blend it out, I want to use another color, the thick skin. It's more of like pinkish tone, I guess. This one right here. Tuck it down, shake the excess, and blend. So now I'm gonna make the brows pop. I'm gonna grab the Certified shade, which is like a nude whitish shade, and I'm just gonna go underneath and on top. And then my brow gel from Anastasia. I don't know if you can really see it. This camera is really not cooperating right now, but that's fine. I will get it too. Okay, now so I have the little excess of powder underneath my eyes. This is pretty much the look. Now next I'm gonna put on some blush, very lightly because we already have the contouring highlight. And for the first time ever, I'm gonna put on falsies. I got the Lily lashes. I've heard these are very pretty and like really good quality. These retail for like 30 bucks, and you can reuse them up to like 25 times. These are the Sydney style, and these are wing style. I have to inform myself before I bought lashes because I have never bought lashes before. And so, like I said, these are wing lashes. That means the end of the lash is bigger and like longer than the inner one. And there's also round lashes, which the in and outer of the lash is the same. So I'm gonna go ahead and carve my lashes and put some mascara, and then I'll be right back. So this is the final look. I put on the lashes off camera. They are definitely a little big that I would have picked them, but I love them. So thank you for watching the video. I hope you picked up some good advice, and if you apply any of the techniques that I showed, please let me know down in the comments. Thank you for watching once again, and like and subscribe.